Here I have BLACKVIEW BL6000 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to change video resolution in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the video mode, and by tapping on this icon here you can change video resolution. You have 720p, 1080p, 1080p 60 fps, and also you have 4K resolution. So yeah, you have this kind of resolutions. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.